under their cares. Okay, if a deterrent for the new GoPro 12 or the GoPro 11 or the 10 or the 9 is GoPro just hasn't got up to speed on their mounting system and the DJI smokes it, well, there's hope for you now. This Ulanzi mounting system takes care of that. You get 4 mounting systems. You get the GoPro fingers, you get the 1/4x20, you get the DJI Action 2 mounting system, and then you also get magnets. You can magnetically stick it on things. And this thing's so quick. There, it's on my helmet. I could do 1 finger release and get it off with 1 finger. It's on there snug as a bug. These are the DJI connectors. So I use it on my helmet. I got it on my Volta. I use my head strap a lot for my refrigeration videos. And there we are, we're clicked in, ready to go, super fast. No more dealing with the thumb screws. It'll even work on the grav grip. I'll show you that in just a second. And I also use it on my Volta because I use the Volta a lot. And this is the product right here from Ulanzi. ID number 3234. This is the one you want to get, is the skinny one, and I'm going to show you why. There's a thicker version that costs 20 bucks. This one costs $16. This is the one you want to purchase. It just screws right into the bottom of your camera. And I'll show you this here real quick. Here it is, clipped into my grav grip. Totally works fine. You can spin her around, do your grav grip central, get your grav grip on, and you got your DJI style mounting quick release for all your connections. I've got this on my GoPro 11 right now. The one in the box here is going on my GoPro 12. And the reason you want the skinny one is it will fit inside your media mod, and I'm going to show you that right now. And there it is inside the GoPro media mod. It works fine. Now, a heads up, when you go to take your camera out with this bracket on, you open the door and you just need to pull down a little bit of down pressure and the camera will slide out. Just being brutally honest. Totally works, not gonna affect anything. It's 4 screws, bolts right into the bottom of your GoPro. It actually comes with a little wrench for it in the box. I'll see if I can leave a link below. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I don't get any money. It's just a great product. So for all the belly achers out there about, oh, GoPro's behind the times, blah, 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 blah. Nope. It's aftermarket parts, just like with Harley-Davidson motorcycles or Apple computers. Any of the good companies that make great products like GoPro are going to have aftermarket. And the aftermarket has answered all the questions. So, and these connect to the DJI 2 mounts, Action 2 mounts. So as far as mounting goes, there's the answer. It's all right there. Super quick, super easy. Clip it on, clip it off, no more thumb screws.